Hey guys, it's Brian again with another ceiling fan video. What I've got for you here is a Cassablanca Panama 5 ceiling fan. This is an early Panama 5 with the Four Seasons style brackets. It's black and polished brass. There's the tag. And I'll read off the number in case you can't see it. It's E047656, so that's May of 1981. Slumber Quiet fan. And the Slumber Quiet does work. It's a gallery edition fan, came with this light kit, and that tassel was added. This is property of Mr. Zachary Leidig here, with this gorgeous spiral down rod. Look at these embossed blades. This is a really, really gorgeous fan. Very rare. So I'm going to let you do the controls, Zachary.
Alright, I'll have someone else read the amperage. So I guess I'll start with light. It goes fan, light, and then both, and then off. So let's start with light.
So there's the light. And those glass shades are not original. Those is just something we added.
Yeah.
It probably would have come with tulip shades from the factory.
Yeah, I had shades, some of this already on it. So now, do you want to just leave light on or shut light off?
No, leave the light on.
Alright, so the amp draw right now is at 0.27, so now I'll start it low.
And this is the lowest point on the Slumber Quiet.
And this is low.
Now it's drawing 0.35 amps. I don't know if it will drop or not.
And the background noise you're hearing is the Sanyo that we have installed in here. Go ahead and turn that off.
Now we can really hear how quiet this is.
Look at it go.
This is absolutely gorgeous.
It's a very pretty fan.
Should put one of these in the museum. Shit, put this one in the museum.
I might as well.
Yeah, black and brass. I don't think we have a Panama 5 in the museum. That'd be sweet though. We definitely need one. I mean, black and brass with the, Four Seasons arms and the embossed blades is perfect. All right, go ahead and turn it up a little bit. Super slow restaurant speed. I love that.
A little bit faster.
Now we're drawing 0.53. And you have to count that the bulbs are on that too, so.
Yeah, that's true.
The blobs.
That's a pretty good low speed.
Yeah, I like that.
I just kind of guessed.
You go ahead and turn it up a little more. Okay, you can definitely feel some air movement off of this one. This is a pretty powerful fan.
Mm-hmm.
We're going pretty quick now. Now we're drawing 0.85.
The flywheel's a little bit wonky on it. I don't know if you can see that, but these are one of those self-balancing flywheels, so it's really not that big of a deal.
Yeah, it's really well balanced. I thought it was going to wobble more.
Probably because it's on such a long down rod.
Yeah.
Long.
Well, also it's not on a recall clip. This is just for testing.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead and turn it up a little bit.
Don't bust your knuckles now.
Don't do the dirty delete on your knuckles.
Is that all the way?
I think we're getting close.
What's it?
That's not even all the way yet.
0.97.
Still pretty decent.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead and turn it all the way up. This thing's absolutely cranking out air.
There it goes.
Oh yeah.
Now we're drawing 1.9.
Wow, that's more than a heat cycler.
Here, let me see.
Heat cyclers are
let me do
1.4. So you're drawing 1.9. Damn.
Let me see. Okay, now we're drawing 8.3. So.
0.83. Oh,
yeah,
because of the light.
Yeah, we
Okay.
have the light.
Okay, I was gonna say there's no way that this draws as much as a heat cycler.
A lot of air and it's
Wow.
well balanced.
Mm-hmm.
This thing is absolutely cranking out air.
That really makes me wish that the Slumber Quiet don't die on this.
I had one of these not that long ago. I had it installed in my spare bedroom for a little bit. It's a pretty good fan.
This could be tempting to put in the living room.
I would definitely put this in the museum, man. The museum definitely needs one of these.
Yeah.
Be a good museum fan.
Yeah, we don't have a Panama 5 in the museum that I know of. Alright, go ahead and kill it.
Alright.
Kill it off.
Just spin down. The bearings are good
Yeah.
too. I didn't hear any chattering or anything.
It runs pretty smooth.
Yes, it runs good. Where did you get this from?
Marketplace. I don't remember where I got it from. It was like an almost 3-hour drive to get it, but it was like in the middle of like nowhere.
Well, that was definitely worth it.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, I saw. I'm like, yeah, I had to go for it. It was only $30, so.
Oh, dude, I wouldn't have passed that up either.
It's a pretty nice fan.
It's
Very,
got the original light kit too.
very classy
Do you think
fan.
do you think these fitter parts are original?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that this is original.
Yeah. Makes more.
I mean, obviously the tassel's not. We added that in the glass, but this probably would have come with a pull chain fob that says Cassablanca.
Yeah.
It might have come with the tassel.
Usually they come with both sometimes.
This fan reminds me of a fan you'd see in a fancy restaurant.
That's what I'm saying.
Like
You know what this reminds me of?
the
This
old
reminds me
spaghetti
of the
factory
Victorians
vibes.
that used to be
Yeah.
installed at the Yours Truly in Chagrin Falls. This is a very, very classy fan.
It's classy.
classy.
Got a pretty good spin down.
Mm-hmm. Oh, my leg. My legs.
Bearings are doing that. What's that sound I'm hearing out there?
It's the radon tube.
Okay.
There's a blower up in the attic that pumps the.
Okay.
This thing's taking a while to spin down.
Yeah, it is. This is the longest fan video I've made tonight.
I should have made it. I should have put it on there. I should have recorded it.
I mean, you still got the opportunity while it's still up.
Yeah.
And there we go.
Yeah, I can just.
That is a Cassablanca Panama 5. Hope you guys enjoyed. Keep watching. More videos to come.